Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to add Disney Plus to your Roku device so you can stream all your favorite Disney, Pixar, Marvel, Star Wars, and National Geographic content easily. Follow these steps carefully. Step 1. Turn on your Roku device and ensure it's connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. A strong internet connection is essential for smooth streaming. Step 2. From the Roku home screen, navigate to Streaming Channels on the left-hand menu. This is where you can find and add new apps. Step 3. Select Search Channels and type Disney Plus using the on-screen keyboard. Step 4. Select the official Disney Plus app from the search results to make sure you are installing the correct app. Step 5. Click on Add Channel to install Disney Plus on your Roku device. The installation may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Step 6. Once installed, return to your Roku home screen. You will see the Disney Plus icon in your list of channels. Step 7. Open the Disney Plus app by selecting it. You will need to log in with your Disney Plus account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up directly in the app by following the on-screen instructions. After logging in, browse the Disney Plus library, select your favorite shows or movies, and start streaming immediately. You can also use the search feature inside the app to find content faster. And that's it! Disney Plus is now installed on your Roku device and ready for you to enjoy endless hours of entertainment. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if it helped you.